Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing some incredible herbs that can boost your mood and bring happiness into your life. Let's dive right in. First up, Ceylon cinnamon. Known as true cinnamon, this herb isn't just for your morning oatmeal. It's packed with antioxidants that can help lower stress levels and improve brain function. Add a pinch to your tea or smoothie and feel the natural uplift. Next, chamomile. You might know it best from your bedtime tea, but chamomile is also a fantastic mood enhancer. Its calming properties help reduce anxiety and promote relaxation. So, sip on chamomile tea when you need a little calm in your life. Now let's talk about St. John's wort. This powerful herb has been used for centuries to combat depression and anxiety. It works by increasing the levels of serotonin, your happy hormone, in the brain. Remember to consult with a healthcare provider before adding this to your routine, especially if you're on medication. Lastly, holy basil, also known as tulsi. This herb is revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its ability to reduce stress and promote mental clarity. You can enjoy it as a tea or incorporate it into your cooking. Either way, it's a fantastic addition to your stress relief toolkit. Remember, while these herbs can enhance your mood and promote well-being, they're not a substitute for medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal remedy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Home Remedies for Life. Thanks for watching, and here's to a happier you.